Several types of bike racks are available for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Let's explore the main options and their mounting methods. Roof-mounted racks are the most popular choice for their sleek design that minimizes wind resistance. They connect to roof rails, which are available as aftermarket add-ons for the Model 3 and come standard on the Model Y. Hitch-mounted racks attach to the vehicle's trailer hitch, providing stable support for bikes. This option requires the optional tow hitch accessory on both the Model 3 and Model Y. Trunk-mounted racks work well with the Model Y's spacious hatch area. They can be folded away when not in use, making them a convenient choice for occasional bike carrying. Integrated racks are the newest option, potentially offering built-in solutions directly from Tesla for the smoothest user experience and vehicle compatibility. Bike racks add aerodynamic drag, reducing your Tesla's range by 5 to 15%, depending on speed and rack type. Drag force increases with the rack's surface area. A standard roof rack might cut a Model 3's 358-mile EPA range to 320-340 miles at highway speeds. As shown in this graph, drag increases non-linearly with vehicle speed for various configurations. E-bikes add weight, further impacting efficiency by requiring more energy to move the vehicle. Choose low-drag designs and remove racks when not in use to mitigate range loss. Recent innovations in Tesla bike racks include Tesla's partnership with Yakima to develop the Tesla Integrated Aero Bike Carrier, a specialized roof-mounted rack for Model 3 and Model Y that reduces drag by up to 20% compared to generic models. Manufacturers are now using computational fluid dynamics software to create sleeker designs that reduce drag by 15 to 25%. Future innovations include smart integration features like sensors for auto-locking and Tesla app connectivity. A Tesla engineer noted that racks are essential for maximizing EV utility, with future designs minimizing drag through AI-optimized shapes. Automotive analysts at J.D. Power report, Tesla owners with bike racks have 30% higher satisfaction in sustainability features. Environmental experts suggest combining Teslas with biking could cut urban emissions by 15 to 20% per household. Let's examine the key statistics and market trends in Tesla bike racks. DOE tests show that roof racks reduce Tesla range by 8 to 14% on average, with e-bikes adding an additional 2 to 5% loss. 45% of Tesla Model Y owners use racks, compared to just 25% for Model 3 owners, largely due to the Model 3's roof rail requirements. The global bike rack market for EVs grew 35% in 2024-2025, with Tesla-specific sales reaching $200 million. Low-drag racks, like the TIBC, recover 90% of baseline range, according to Yakima's 2025 benchmarks.